Hi, this is Sourabha Patil. In this video, we will run analyze and design of a tall building. First, we will check the defined loads on this building. Go to Define menu, click on Load Patterns. A dialog box will appear. In this, we have defined dead load, live load and wind load. To check the dimensions of beam and column, go to Define menu, Frame Sections in Section Properties. In this, we can see the beam auto select and column auto select. In the auto select option, we can add different dimensions of beam and column. During the design/check, if the members are failing, the software will auto select the next suitable dimension and pass all the members. Click on OK. For this building, we have used M40 grade concrete, HYSD 500 and mild 250 steel. Click on OK. Now we will run the analyze. Click on analyze and run analyze. The software will take time to run analyze. As there are more numbers in this building, it will take time to analyze. Here we can see it is processing. Completed. Now we can see the analyze has been completed. Now we will run the design check. Before running the design check, we will go to View/Review Preference in the concrete frame design and check the design code whether it is IS 456-2000. If not, then modify and click on OK. Now we can see the reinforcement details on each member in 3D view. The design/check has been completed. Now we can check all members are passed or not. In the design menu, select concrete frame design and click verify all members passed. A dialog box appears and we can see the all members have passed. If not, again dialog box will appear and click on yes and it will auto select the next suitable dimension of beam and column and pass all the members. Now we have successfully completed running analysis and design of a tall building. To check the details of the structure, go to Model Explorer, click on Report. We can see Project Report and Summary Report. Choose any of them and it will start generating report. The software will take time to generate. Here we can see the details of each and every member. Thanks for watching.